Okay, so this is my favorite snack of all time. It's called Churmuri. It's super easy, healthy, and even good if you're trying to lose some weight. Make it the way I do, and you will seriously love it. And yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please hit that subscribe button and turn that bell notification to all so that you don't miss any update. It'll help me grow. Without further ado, let's start. Add salt as per taste and chili powder to the puffed rice. I have taken 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder here because I like it a little spicy. You can adjust it as per your taste. Add any oil of your choice, but it tastes really good with coconut oil, so I'm taking 1 tablespoon of that. Now mix all of it well, and at this point you can check for the taste and adjust it. Now start adding the remaining ingredients. Add 1 chopped onion. Okay, here I'm not directly adding lemon to the puffed rice because it will get soggy. Instead, I'm mixing it with the tomato first and then adding both. This tip really helps, so please don't skip it. Add chopped coriander leaves and mix all of it well. At this point, you can actually just have it like this, or you can add 1 chopped boiled egg for additional taste and mix it slightly. Do not overmix it. Now serve it and eat it as soon as possible, or else it will lose its crispiness and turn soggy, and you'd really not want that. I hope you will try this healthy snack, and if you do, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care, stay home, stay safe.